This is the Yesoul T3S Plus. It's listed at about $799, but there's usually a $100 discount, so realistically, you're looking at $699. They've also given me a $100 discount coupon, so make sure you check the video description if you're looking to buy one of these. And at that price, it's going to do something a little bit different than most treadmills. It's not just about running, it's about making it easier to stick with working out. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is the screen. It's big, bright, responsive, and it swivels. So you're not locked into just running. You can rotate it around and use it for strength workouts, yoga, stretching, whatever you want. And that's really the idea here. It isn't just a treadmill, it's more of a full workout setup. Now, here's where it really stands out, and that's with your screen mirroring. You do have to register inside of the app, but once you do, it's simple. You can mirror your phone and run whatever you want. Netflix, YouTube, Peloton, anything. So you're not stuck in their ecosystem, which is a big deal. And let's talk about the app because you might have questions about that. They do offer subscriptions if you want guided workouts and classes. It's like $13.99 a month or $79.99 for the year, which is about $1.50 a week. If you go month to month, it's more like $3.50 a week. So compared to something like Peloton, it's obviously more affordable. But here's the key, you don't actually need a subscription. There's some free workouts built in, and they're kind of limited. So the value is either in paying for the classes or just using your screen mirroring for doing your own thing. And honestly, that flexibility is what makes this treadmill stand out. As far as performance goes, this is right where most people need it to be. It's got a solid motor that handles walking, jogging, and running without any issues. The top speed is around 8.7 miles an hour, so it's not built for elite sprinting, but perfect for everyday workouts. You also get up to 10% incline, which actually makes a big difference. You can turn a simple walk into something that feels like more of a real workout pretty quickly. The controls are straightforward, they're easy to use, and everything is responsive. And you still get all your basic stats on your screen, time, distance, calories, everything you're looking for. Now, the running surface isn't huge, but that's intentional. This is built for home use, walking, jogging, light running, and it does that really well. It also has some cushioning, so it's a little easier on your joints compared to running outside. Now, here's another big win, it folds up. It folds up into a compact position, so it doesn't take over your space. If you don't want a treadmill permanently sitting in the middle of your room, this matters. Now, I've got mine set up in the basement, and something to keep in mind, it's not super light, so you're going to need two people to carry this thing downstairs. Now, I did that, and then I set it up, and setup took about an hour. The instructions were clear, they have a video, they have a manual that you can follow, and everything went together pretty smoothly. Here's what I like. I love the screen. I love how versatile it is. I love that you can mirror anything. I like the compact size and foldability and the simple, easy to use controls. Now, cons or some things to keep in mind, this isn't built surface and the free workouts, if you're going to go with their app, are kind of limited unless you subscribe to their service. But overall, this just works. It's affordable, it's versatile, and most importantly, it actually gets used. And at the end of the day, that's what matters. Hey, I hope this was helpful. I know it's not my typical content, but this just seemed like such a unique piece. And we work out a ton in my house, and we were looking for something just like this, and it absolutely fit the bill. I hope this was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up. If not, or if you have questions, leave them down below. If you're looking for one of these treadmills or some other workout equipment, I'll have a link down below with more information for you. Good luck, everyone. Have a fantastic day.